This is my 350Z Nismo edition. I'll be installing my eibach springs today. Just wanted to show you the original height in the front. I don't know if you can see that, but look, about 1.5 inches to the tire and about 26.25 to the body, to the ground. Let's go to the back. And about 1.5 inches or so from the tire to the fender, and about 27 5/8 from the ground up to the back. This is the Nismo. So it comes with stock Nismo springs, which are lower than factory. So I'm thinking this thing's going to be pretty low when it's done. So let's do it.